Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to start कुछ important topics हैं chemical equilibrium which is related with metal chemistry और today now we will have to discuss all the important formulas and these topics which are very necessary for final examination. तो सबसे पहले start कर लेते हैं हम लोग कहाँ से unit of Kc. तो units of Kc. Kc is called equilibrium constant and we know that Kc is the ratio between product over reactant reactive masses or we can say that the product of active masses of products to the products of active masses of reactants. जो भी कोफिशिएंट होते हैं प्रोडक्ट और रिएक्टेंट के वो उसके ऊपर आ जाते हैं. प्रोडक्ट का कांस्टेंट ऊपर आ जाएगा b और यहां पर आ जाएगा a. ठीक है. नाउ you have to find out the unit of Kc as well as find Kc expression of given equation. हमें इक्वेशन given है. For example, when nitrogen reacts with hydrogen to form ammonia, this is reversible reaction which will proceed forward and backward direction as well. Now the Kc is product over reactant. Product is ammonia NH3 square, nitrogen N2 and hydrogen power 3. Power of hydrogen is 1 because the coefficient of nitrogen is 1. Before going to start the unit of Kc for this expression, we know that X will be equals to concentration will be equals to active mass and the unit of active mass is moles per dm cube or moles per liter, which can be written as capital M. Capital M means molar. Capital M means molar. Moles per dm cube or moles per liter. Now these are the concentration and active masses of ammonia, nitrogen and hydrogen. To find out the value of Kc or unit of Kc for this expression, put M in place of active masses just like for ammonia m square, for nitrogen m power 1 and for hydrogen m power 3. Now it will become m square over m4 and it comes m square. Now put the value of m. M means molar, moles per dm cube. 1 over moles per dm cube square. It becomes 1 over mole square per dm6. Or we can write this unit as dm6 per mole square or dm6 mole square inverse. It is the first expression. Now for second expression, just like hydrogen reacts with iodine to form hydrogen iodide. आपको इक्वेशन गिवन होगी. सबसे पहले आप लोगों ने बैलेंस करना है. बैलेंस करने के बाद Kc एक्सप्रेशन ड्रॉ करनी है. Kc is the ratio between product over reactant. Product is hydrogen iodide power 2 square coefficient 1 and hydrogen power 1 because the coefficient is 1 and iodine same as it is coefficient 1 means power 1. Put unit of active masses of all the reactants and product in above equation. Capital M square for hydrogen iodide, for hydrogen m power 1 and for iodine m power 1. Cancel out all the values. M square will be cancelled out from m square. It means that for this expression Kc has no unit. इस एक्सप्रेशन के लिए Kc की कोई यूनिट नहीं होगी. Same as it is for third expression. If we have sulfur dioxide reacts with oxygen to form sulfur trioxide. Given equation must be balanced. Now Kc will be equals to product, that is active mass of sulfur trioxide power 2 then active mass of SO2 power 2 and active mass of O2 power 1 means exponent 1. Now it becomes m square over m square into m power 1. M square cancels out from m square. Now it will become 1 over m. And then put the value of m. 1 over m means moles per liter or moles per dm cube. It will become dm cube per mole or dm cube mole पर आगे क्या होगा? mole inverse. Mole inverse. Here we have solved Kc expression and unit of Kc for 3 equation. Now move towards next expression. Now the fourth equation is oxidation of ammonia. NO produce nitrogen monoxide and water molecule. First balance this equation by using coefficient 45, then 46. Apply Kc expression. Kc is the ratio between product over reactant. Now the product here is NO, active mass of NO coefficient 4, active mass of water coefficient 6, active mass of ammonia coefficient 4, active mass of oxygen coefficient 5. Now put M in place of active masses. Now it will become m power 4, m power 6, m power 4, m power 5. m4 cancel out. Then it will become m. 6 minus 5, that is 1. Now put the value of m. M is moles per dm cube or mole decimeter cube inverse. Now the unit of Kc for oxidation of ammonia will be mole decimeter cube inverse or mole per dm cube. Now the fifth equation is oxidation of nitrogen to produce nitrogen dioxide. First of all, balance this equation. Now Kc expression for this equation is, it is equilibrium reaction, otherwise cannot calculate. Unit of Kc. Nitrogen dioxide active mass power 2, nitrogen power 1, oxygen power 2. Put m in place of active mass, m square over m power 1, m square. It becomes 1 over m. Now 1 over m will be equals to 1 over moles per dm cube. And this equation, this unit will become dm cube per mole or dm cube mole inverse. It means that the unit of Kc for oxidation of nitrogen will be dm cube mole inverse or dm cube per mole. Now last equation, when carbon monoxide reacts with chlorine to form COCl2, carbonyl chloride. And the Kc expression for this expression is COCl2 power 1. Now CO power 1, Cl2 power 1. Put the values of active masses for reactant and product. It will become m power 1, m power 1, m power 1. M cancel out. 1 over m1. Or it has the same unit as oxidation of nitrogen. It means that 1 over moles per dm cube, or we can write as dm cube per mole or dm cube mole inverse. तो उम्मीद की जाती है कि जब आपको कोई भी रिवर्सिबल इक्वेशन गिवन होगी तो आप इंतहाई आसानी के साथ सबसे पहले उसकी Kc एक्सप्रेशन बनाएंगे। Kc एक्सप्रेशन बनाने के बाद उसकी एक्टिव मासेस की जगह पर कैपिटल M मतलब मोलर पुट करना है और कैंसिल आउट करने के बाद जितनी सिंपलीफाई कर सकते हैं इक्वेशन को कर दें और जो M बचेगा उसकी जगह पुट कर देंगे मोल पर डीएम क्यूब। फिर वहां पर पावर कुछ भी हो, स्क्वायर हो, क्यूब हो, तो आप वो सॉल्व करने के बाद Kc यूनिट कैलकुलेट कर लेंगे। ठीक है, उम्मीद किया थी आप लोगों को सबको समझ में आ गया होगा। इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरी रिगार्डिंग अंडरस्टैंडिंग यूनिट्स ऑफ Kc और इट्स एक्सप्रेशन, यू कैन डायरेक्टली मैसेज मी और कमेंट। टिल देन अपना ख्याल रखें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।